My superstars, this is the most profitable business idea you need to start this year. If you didn't think about it, then my superstars, after watching this video, you need to swing into action and carry out your own research and then get started. Because this year you must make money. Alright? I was so amazed when I heard of this business idea, and I'm here to share it with you, which is ready to wear business. All right, ready to wear clothes business. My superstars, this business has been around, but do you know what? So many people have not realized that there's so much profit in ready to wear clothes business. Yes, there's so much money, so much profit in ready to wear business. And lots of people are tilting into wearing ready to wear clothes. Okay, so in this video, I'll be giving you a breakdown on how to start a profitable ready to wear clothes business and make money. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first you need to know that there's a market for ready to wear clothes business in Nigeria. Lots of people are tired of tailors dramas. Okay, so tailors have disappointed a lot of people so many times that people have gotten frustrated and tired and are gradually delving into ready to wear clothes. Ready to wear clothes are already sewn such that all they need to do is try it on and then pay and leave with their clothes immediately. No drama, no stress whatsoever. So many people are settling for ready to wear clothes. All right, so here's what you need to know that ready to wear clothes are very cheap to make. With as low as 30,000 naira, you can start a ready to wear clothes business and make money from it. I know so many people who started ready to wear clothes business and they are in money right now. They started by going to commercial states like Onitsha, Aba, mostly Aba, to buy fabrics of their choice. Okay, most of these fabrics go for as low as 1,000 naira. Very good quality fabrics go for as low as 1,000 naira, and a few accessories like zip go for as low as 200 to 500 naira, depending on the type of zip. Okay, and those are mostly the accessories they need to sew these clothes. So they use about 3 yards, and depending on how complicated it is or the size, they use about 4 yards to sew a gown or a blouse and skirt. And then these materials cost about 3 to 4,000 naira. Okay, and after sewing, they sell between 12,000 naira to 15,000 naira, and some even sell higher depending on their target market. So you may see, my superstars, have you seen the profit margin in making ready to wear clothes? Okay, this is a silent way so many people are making lots and lots of money from. Okay, they start with as low as 30,000 naira and then they keep going and going until they get to make a lot of money. All right, so for those who are like wondering, I don't know how to sew, I don't know how to sew, don't worry. You can still make money from ready to wear clothes. Okay, you can do ready to wear clothes for children and adults. I've seen ready to wear clothes for children sell as high as 35,000 naira, while the cost of production goes for as low as 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira. Okay, so you can imagine the profits made from ready to wear clothes, be it for children or adults. Okay, and you know what? So many people would do whatever it takes to make their children look like princes and princesses. So there's actually more profits in ready to wear clothes for children. But be it children or adults, there's lot of money to be made. Alright, my superstars. So if you don't know how to sew, you can still do this business. We have so many tailors in places like Abba, where after you choose your fabrics, you go and meet them and show them the design you want to sew, and they go ahead and sew it for you. Okay, you can either decide to sit down and wait while they sew it for you, and then you live with it, or you drop it with them. They sew it so that you don't rush them. Okay, they sew it for you, and in maybe 2 days' time, you go back and you pick your ready sewn clothes and go and display them or market them. So you see, my superstars, these tailors are not even expensive. They are very, very affordable. They make it such that you can afford them. And get clothes that are in vogue right now for adults are mostly for feminine clothes that are in vogue right now are very easy to sew clothes like boo. Okay, where you all you have to do is close the side, and maybe do a design in front. Okay, and that is it. So these clothes are very easy to produce while you make loads and loads of profits from it. Okay, depending on the fabric you use. But if you choose to use more expensive fabrics like damask, okay, and other expensive fabrics, you know that the cost after production will be higher. That's when you hear a cloth sell for as high as 50,000 naira. Okay, and people still buy it. Okay, imagine buying damask off at 5,000 naira a yard, and you use about 4 yards to make a cloth. That's 20,000 naira, and then you sell at 50,000 naira. That is about 30,000 naira made from profits and sales of that particular cloth. So you see, my superstars, there is money in ready to wear clothes. All right. So all you have to do is go and carry out your research. Go and find out. If you don't know how to sew, go and find out where you can get your fabrics and give it to people to sew. So before now, people used to bring people from other countries. Okay, people used to bring people from other countries like Senegal and other countries, bring them into Nigeria, rent an apartment for them, and they stay there and sew clothes. Okay, very unique, beautiful designs for people, and then they sell it and make money. It is not new, it has always been, but most people do not know about it. So, my superstars, I came today to enlighten you on this amazing business opportunity this year so you can get started and then make money from it. There is lots and lots of money waiting for you to pack in ready to wear clothes business. Go and carry out your research, okay? And then let me know. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And my superstars, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button. Hit the like button. Thank you. Okay, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Mwah. Bye, superstars.